Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited WhatsApp account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily create fake WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, you have to search for Turbo VPN. If you already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest update of this application. You can see this special application has more than 100 million plus download. So you can see this application over here. So if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update it and then use the latest version of this application. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open this Turbo VPN. So just open this VPN, skip the ad, just click on agree and continue, and once you click on agree and continue, just skip the ad, and you can see tap to connect. Just click on connect and just wait as it is connecting over here. So you can see it is connecting, so just wait for a while as it is connecting. So you can see over here it is connecting, so just wait as it is connecting. So now boom, it has already connected. Now you can see, okay, let me try again. Okay, and now you can see it is connected successfully. Now once you are connected to the Turbo VPN, all you need to do is to open your browser or your Chrome or your Google. Then all you need to do is to search for temporary phone number. Now once we search for temporary phone number, you can see so many links over here. So just wait as it is loading. You can see so many links over here. I will advise you to click on the first link. This is temporary phone number for verification code. Just click on that and you can see this website is opened. And once you open this website, you can see so many countries over here. You can see United Kingdom, you can see United States, you can see Denmark, you can see Netherlands and all that. So you have to select the one that you prefer. So just look for the one that you prefer. You can go in for France, you can go in for United States. So in my case, I will go in for United States. So just click on that. And once you click on that, just wait as it is loading. Just refresh the page. Sorry. Okay, let me select France. So just wait as it is loading over here. So you can see my France number over here. So now we are going to use France number instead. So all you need to do is to click on this, and once you click on that, you click on the number. You can see copy over here. So just click on the number and you can see copy. Just click on copy, and once you have copied this number, just go back and then open your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, just click on agree and continue. Now once you click on agree and continue, you have to make sure you have selected the country to France. So you have to make sure you are using France country. Then you can see tap over here and then click on paste, and you can see I have now pasted the number. The +2, the +33 is already here, so let me delete this. Then you click on next. Now you can see connecting, so just wait as it is connecting, and you can see they are asking you to confirm your number. Now just click on OK, and you can see the verification code is now sent. Come back to this website. Now once you come back to this website, you can see update latest SMS. Just click on update latest SMS, and you can see the latest SMS over here. So just wait as it is loading for the latest SMS, and you can see the verification over here. So just copy this verification code and use this code to create your unlimited WhatsApp account. With this, you can create unlimited WhatsApp account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a